Our next Miss Millennial is a first-year college student. She is also Dayag di Apayao 2018. At ang layo pa ng pinanggalingan niya.
Oo nga.
I'm sure miss na niya yung mga Dabbercads niya doon.
Correct. At least mas may inspire sila to, show their best, give their best.
That's right. At mas nakilala pa natin ang kanyang probinsya. Let's call her Miss Millennial Apayao Denise Fritz Daligcon.